This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to use a Clover Pom-Pom maker to make pom-poms to embellish your crochet projects. I bought this in a set of 4, and this particular maker is 1 3/4 inches in diameter. So open up one side, and we're going to wrap yarn around this half circle until this interior space is completely full. Okay, I'd say that's about right. Close it, and then cut off this tail. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Now close up this side, cut off the tail. And the next step is to take some scissors and cut along the middle on each side. And cut a long strand of yarn, I'd say at least 18 inches. And we're going to find the center of our strand of yarn. And then we're going to run it down the middle of the pom maker. This is going to hold our strands in place. And it's also going to give us tails to attach the pom-pom to our project with. So make sure it's down in there nice and tight and secure with a knot. Okay, and we might want to take this opportunity to cut off any strands that are longer than the other. Now we open up both sides and pop the pom-pom out of the maker. So to put this back together, just make sure this pin goes inside the hole on the opposite side. Close it back up, and it's ready to go for next time. And then just make sure the pom-pom is shaped the way you like. Mine tend to be a little oblong, so the strands are a bit longer around the middle. So if you want, you can trim those up with a pair of scissors. I think that looks pretty good. Your pom-pom is now ready to attach to your crochet project. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!